Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you two amazing chord progressions you can try out. So in case you're struggling to create chord progressions, these two chord progression is actually gonna help you out. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you a chord progression you can always apply, and trust me, this chord progression is amazing. We have this drum groove which I've just created. Simple drum groove. So I'm just gonna load in SKY keys. Yeah, I do have SKY keys loaded, and I'm gonna be using this one plug. But trust me, you can use anything. You can even use Lounge Lizard. You can basically use any kind of plugin you have. So we're gonna be on the key of C, and quickly I'm just gonna play the chord, then I just go and break it down so you hear what the chord sounds like. Yeah, so just three chord progression, but trust me, it sounds really amazing. So together, let me just show you guys what this chord is made up of. So I'm moving from the 3 to the 2, then to the 6, and basically 7 chords. So for me, I just love 7 chords because it's actually sound really full and complex. But trust me, it's not it's nothing serious. So on our 3, which is our E minor 7. This is the chord I'm playing. Let me just solo that. Then basically the same chord progression, I just copied it, I moved it to our 2, which is our D minor 7. So it sounds like this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna increase velocity, and then for my 6 is just the basic 6, the basic 6 minor, but I'm just adding this. So I can call it maybe like A minor 7th, I think so. So basically they're all 7th chords, and I really love 7th chords, man. The drums. So I could add like a bass, just to give it some low ends, and I think I want to use like sub boom bass. Yeah, so that's one chord progression, moving from your 3 to the 2 to the 6, and you can play around with it. You can move to the 3 to the 6 to the 2. So just mixing them around is actually gonna give you a different kind of groove. So the first chord I would love you guys to try out is a 3 2 6 chord progression, and just playing them in the 7th chords. So the next chord progression, I'm still gonna use the same drum groove. Is gonna be, let's listen to what the second progression that I'm gonna be suggesting to you guys is gonna sound like. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, so this is the chord progression I'm talking about. Yeah, so I just moving from our 4 to our 3, and they are all 7th chord. Let's look for another preset, and let me go with maybe a Rhodes. Yeah, so we can use something like this. And the sweet thing about it is that you can combine all these chords. So for example, I'm moving from my 4 to the 3 right here. I could add like the 6 that I showed you in the other one. So it sounds like this. So I can add the 6 to to this. So these are chords you can just play around with. So our 6, yeah, this will sound like. Yeah, so you can just play around with this chord. So the previous one we moved from the 3 to the 2 to the 6, and right now I'm moving from the 4 to the 3 to the 6. So basically you can just play around with all these chords, and trust me, it's gonna sound amazing. So we can actually call this third, chord progression that I'm gonna be talking about. So the first one, we have the 3 to the 2 to the 6. Yeah. Yeah, then the second chord progression is, from our 4, to the 3 to the 6. And this together with the drums, it sounds. Yeah, nice. So these 2 chord progressions, you should go try it out, guys. And trust me, you're really gonna enjoy playing around with them. You could actually just try from the 4 to the 3 to the 2. Just play around with them, and it's gonna build your chord vocabulary. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I just want to share a quick one to show you guys some amazing chords you could actually just try out, when learning how to make beats. I know chord progressions can actually be difficult, to come up with, but just try playing around with, these 2 chord progressions I've showed you guys, and trust me, you're actually gonna enjoy the way it sounds. Yeah, guys, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, man, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you're here to join the Patreon, you can join. The link is gonna be in the description, and I'm actually doing a discount for the month. You get access to exclusive content for just $2 for just a single month. So in case you want to join the Patreon, the link is in the description. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.